Hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate random musics with AI that are totally free to use and free to use. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and now here you have to search for AIYA dot AI. It's AIVA.ai. Just simply go to the website. Be very careful with the URL. If you write anything wrong, you won't be able to find it. Now here, all you need to do is just simply create a free account that gonna ask, and here you're gonna see multiple libraries available for you to generate a music. You can see you can customize the musics here as well, and and you can generate any music that you want. You can see there's no licensing headache, and you can use the songs that have been created by AIV as well, and it's you can see it's free to use, free forever. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.